Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool, it's about right here, and basically what this is a shower caddy that you can also use in the kitchen if you guys want to as well. But you can see this is basically what the product looks like right here. So for this one, they basically give you guys the option in the middle to put stuff on top if you guys want to, and they give you guys a few of these hooks, so that way you can actually hook your utensils or your shower stuff on here depending on how you guys want to use it. And right here, if you can see, they mention how it's easy to install, no drilling and no tools needed, no surface damage, and the product is movable and reusable, so you can definitely take it out and put it somewhere else if you guys want to. And for the product, they mentioned how it supports up to 22 pounds. So as long as you guys don't exceed like the 22-pound limit, then you should be fine. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what is included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, when you guys take it out, that is everything that's inside. Alright, so when you take it out from the wrapper, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So right here are all the little hooks. And then right here are the suction cup that you want to install in the back part right here. So I'm actually cut that open first. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see the suction cup right here. So you basically want to remove this cover when you guys install it. But basically right now what you guys want to do is just insert the back part right here. So you guys want to face it this way and put it right here. And then push it up. And then make sure it snaps in. Same thing for the other one as well. And if you guys want to take it out, you just got to go like this. And then take it out. So it's definitely really easy to assemble it, if you guys can see. So once you guys set up this part, what you guys want to do next is to put on the hooks in the front right here. So right here are the hooks. Let me show you guys how to install it. Alright, so basically the way how you guys install the hooks is in the bottom part right here. So you basically want to just go like this and slide it through. Same thing for other one as well. If you guys want to slide it in the bottom part, you definitely can. If you guys want to slide it all in the front right here, all you guys need to do is go like this, take it out, and then slide it in the front right here. Just like that. So you definitely put all four of them in the front, or you guys can put some in the back as well. However you guys want to do it, that's up to you guys. We can definitely see that you guys do have those options available. So you can see that once we have it all set up, this is basically what the product looks like. So literally all we need to do now is bring it either to the shower room or bring it to the kitchen area. And then you guys want to move the little cap in the back. Then you guys want to push it against the wall and use your hand to push against here and here at the same time. And just hold it for less than 1 or 2 seconds. If you guys want to hold it longer, you definitely can as well. But literally all it takes is 1 second for you guys to push it right here to install it into like the wall. And I definitely love the way how they design the part right here. If you can see, they have a bunch of holes. So that way, if you guys have like liquid or whatever, it actually has the slot for you guys to drip out any liquid or water through these holes right here. So that's actually really cool. And definitely the material that they use on the product is waterproof and water resistant. So if you guys do get water on here, the water shouldn't stay on here. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. Let me actually go install this and show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about product in a second. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is remove the cover in the back right here first, and we're going to install the wall right here. When you guys apply it onto this wall right here, you want to make sure you don't put in a gap right here. You guys want to put it directly onto this part right here, and these right here, the smooth surface. So let me actually install it and show you guys what actually works. Alright, so one hand and one hand, push it in, and it's all set. So now you guys can put stuff on top right here, or you can hang stuff here as well. So I'm actually put some stuff on here and show you guys what actually works. If you want to hang other stuff, I can definitely do that as well. Alright, so that's basically a sample of what you guys can do if you guys set up right here in the kitchen area. So if you guys want to remove the product, all you need to do is get some kind of credit card or some kind of card like this and just slide it in the back. Just like that. And it comes out so easily, if you can see. So that's literally all you need to do to remove the product. Alright, so we have the product right here in the shower room. Let me just set it up and show you guys what it actually looks like. So when you guys find the position that you want, just lean against the wall and push it in on both sides. Hold it for 1 second. Alright, so after you guys push it in, then it's all ready and you can put stuff on top. Let me put some stuff on here and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so that is all the space that we have right here. But you can see that you can definitely put a lot of heavy stuff on here and definitely support the weight on here. Like I mentioned, it supports up to 22 pounds. So as long as you guys don't exceed 22 pounds, then you should be fine. But you see the hook right here works pretty well. You guys adjust it left and right. Same for these as well. But it definitely has a good support on the wall, so that way you don't have to worry about it falling anytime soon, which is pretty awesome. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys fully set it up. If you guys can see, it's very easy to install and it definitely works pretty well. It definitely looks pretty awesome and you don't have to worry about damaging like your property, your wall, or whatever. And it's really easy to remove the product like I showed you guys earlier. Welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to install. Literally all you need to do is just lean against the wall, push it on and put all your bottles, your loofahs, or whatever you want to put on top, and then it's all set. So obviously for this product, it doesn't work for any kind of surface. There's only specific surface that actually works on. As long as the surface can support a suction cup, then you should be fine. But now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now it's a question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to like organize your stuff, whether it be in the shower room, your kitchen, or somewhere else. If you guys need this product for any of those situations, then this product is super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want, or don't need one, or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.